Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see someone's private TikTok account without following. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application and just go to the profile or search icon and search for any option, and here you will be able to find lots of private account, and here you will see that some accounts are also tagged, and here in the user section some are private account and you can see, and some are public accounts. So this is it, these are private, and to view it you just need to go to videos or sounds or photos or hashtags. In these places you will find those people tagged, and you'll able to know that what those people are doing on TikTok or in their account. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.